Yep, that's correct. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get yourself a free Blocksy Pro theme. Also I'm going to show you how you can get Stackable premium version for free. Next one I'm going to show you how you can get yourself a Fluent Forms Pro version for free. And last one I'm going to offer you a SEOPress license for free. So if you're interested, then take a look at the video, because I'm going to tell you what you should do in order to get all those plugins for free. But first, the backstory. Last week I posted a video about how to create a football bets or sports prediction site with WordPress, and I posted it in the Blocksy community. And while doing it, I tagged Taha, who is a moderator in the Blocksy community group, and I also tagged Sergio, who is the Blocksy team member. I made a cheeky comment which looks like this one here. Taha, I have heard the rumor that you want to create a championship predictions competition site for Blocksy community. Also, there is a rumor, Sergio, that you want to give out a prize for the winner, pro license or something. If that is correct, then here's a video. Although there maybe have been rumors and I just dreamed about it. So as I said, it was just a cheeky comment with a tongue in cheek. But somehow Taha replied that when the master sensei shows up, I retreat into my corner. And I replied that I understand from your hint that you're not going to make this competition for the community. I had such big hopes. And Taha replied, I'm not a football person, but I accept your offer. Let's make a competition site. Private message. And what do you know, 12 hours later, Taha built this site here. So Taha, kudos to you. It looks awesome, and this is a friendly UEFA Euro 2020 football pool competition site. So if you want all those plugins I showed you earlier for free, then you have to do only one thing. Just sign up to the competition, take part of it, and if you finish in top 3, then you will win a prize. Later I'm going to show you what are the prizes, but before I do that, couple of things to point out. First thing, if you don't know what is a Blocksy, then Blocksy theme is one of the best WordPress themes out there. It has a pro version and it has a free version. And as you see, the free version has more than 20,000 active installations, and it has astonishing 478 5-star reviews. No other reviews, only 5-star reviews. It also has a pro version, and the license to the pro versions is the one which we use in this giveaway. Next one is Stackable. If you don't know what is Stackable, then it's a page builder Gutenberg blocks. It makes using Gutenberg much easier. It has currently more than 40,000 active installations and also very good reviews, more than 280 5-star reviews. It also has a premium version, and in this giveaway you have a chance to win the premium version of Stackable. Next one, Fluent Forms, is one of my favorite form plugins ever. I have used it for more than 2 years on every site I make. It also has free version, as you see, more than 80,000 active installations, 181 5-star reviews. Awesome plugin. It has a pro version, which will be one of the prizes for this competition. And last one of the best SEO plugins out there is a SEOPress. More than 100,000 active installations and almost 700 5-star reviews. Awesome plugin. I'm using it on my site. And SEOPress has also pro version, and you will have a chance to win the pro version license for your site. So, as you see, only quality plugin has the prizes, and now let's move to the prizes. So if you go to the site, there is a menu called Awards. So first place awards are these. You will get Blocksy Pro lifetime package for 5 sites. Also, you will get a Stackable business annual package for 1 site. You will get Fluent Forms 1 site license, and it's a lifetime license. Also, you will get a SEOPress 1 site license, and it's also a lifetime license. Good, isn't it? Second place. If you finish second, then you will get Blocksy Pro personal lifetime package for 1 site. Stackable gives you a personal package for 1 site, and it's an annual package. Fluent Forms will give you an annual license for unlimited sites. Pay attention, it's not a lifetime license, but annual license. And SEOPress will give you lifetime license for one site. If you finish third this competition, then you will get the Blocksy Pro annual package for one site. Stackable will give you annual package one site license. Fluent Forms will give you 5-site license annual package. Pay attention, none of those was lifetime license. And SEOPress will give you a lifetime license for one site. So, those are the awards. Now, what you should do in order to get all those awards. First, go to the site called blocksy.online. I'll put the link in the description of this video. Now, click either on Join Now or Sign Up button. Next, sign up and log in. If you do that, then most of the hard lifting is already done. As you see, Taha has created awesome site here. Taha, I'm so proud of it. It looks much better than I thought it would be. So kudos to you. Now after logging in, go to the prediction site, and as you see, you can predict the outcome of the games. For example, if you think that Turkey will lose to Italy 1-3, then just enter the scores. If you think that Wales and Switzerland will draw 2-2, then just enter the scores, scroll down and save it. You have one golden ball for the whole tournament. You can set it whatever game you like, even for the final match. You can set golden ball. It will multiply all your scores given for this specific game. Take a look at the rules here. I explain all the rules over there, and I will explain the calculations over there. Pay attention that there are bonus questions. 2 of them are the ones you should answer before the competition. One of them will give you 7 points, and second one will give you 3 points. During the competitions, the playoff rounds, there will be another bonus questions, so pay attention to that. There is a ranking table. During the tournament, you'll see the ranking here. And if you finish a competition on top 3, then you will win the prizes as I showed you before. So, nothing difficult, just sign up, it's for free, log in, start predicting games, and hopefully you will be lucky. Now, if you have any questions, then go to the front page, there is a feedback, just drop us a line and we will be back to you as soon as possible. If you have any questions during the competitions, then log in and open up the forum topic here. So, I hope you will enjoy the competition and I hope you win. And now, just close the window, go to the sites blocksy.online, sign up, and we will see you later. Meanwhile, take care.